ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದೇ ಹಿಂಟ್.
Look at how big the bag is.
ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಈಗ
ಎಲ್ಲೋಗ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರೇ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅವ್ನು 500 ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 50 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು, 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಶುಭೋದಯ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಐ ಮೇ ಸೀಮ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್, that is because of work pressure and my throat, but we are very excited. Where to, I will not put the title, so keep guessing. We'll head to our first destination for today, which is, give a hint. Don't tell the exact name, give a hint.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದೇ ಹಿಂಟ್.
I legit thought he was coughing, but then we are in T2. Apparently this time the card worked for both of us and we are inside the terminal, but it was little disappointing. Not much. Harshit wanted few things which were not there.
Sir, bag ತೋರಿಸಿ ಸರ್.
Look at Harshit's bag, guys. This is the cabin baggage, yeah. So during the luggage drop, they legit asked, is it check-in baggage or cabin baggage? Look at how big this is.
60 liters.
Wow, 60 liters. So that we have another 5 minutes for our boardings to start. Air India, here we come, please don't disappoint us. Here, see guys, this is the bag he has. Look at how big the bag is.
ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ.
I think this is the flight, not that. That's another Air India flight. I think this one. Let's go. By looking in the next frame, you'll know which city we are in. 1, 2, 3. See this. Most of you will guess which city is this. Which city is this, Harshit? Welcome to the city of
Pollution.
We are in Delhi. And honestly, we don't have any plan as of now. We don't know what we are going to do. I'm not even kidding.
Market.
This guy is Sarojini. Let's first collect the baggage and then see.
ನಿಂಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್.
Oh, guys, I was sitting next to the boot of the plane where they were unloading all the luggage. I saw Harshit's bag. They loaded into that whatever that carrying one, but mine I didn't see, guys. ಬರ್ದೇ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಏನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು, ಇಡಬಾರ್ದೇನೋ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ.
ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಭಯ 10 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 20 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ.
ಚಲೋ. ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಈಗ
ಅದೇ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರಿ, ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಲಗೇಜ್.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್.
ಸೊ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನೋ ವರೀಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನಾವು ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟು? ಹಾಂ, ನನ್ನ ತಮಾಷೆಗಳ ಗೈಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಕಿಡಿಂಗ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಡ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಐ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ದ ಲಗೇಜ್. ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ?
ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್.
ಲಗೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದ
ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಡಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ?
ಆಟೋ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ
ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಇವನು. His bugger, instead of exiting, he brought me to some transfer gate. So whatever the pollution and everything that was going on in Delhi is actually legit true. As soon as the airplane doors were open, I felt it, guys. I initially thought, would not be much of a difference and it would probably show only air quality index. But you can actually, when you breathe in air, you feel it, that it's not pure air. If at all I'm making sense. After a lot of adventures,
finally reached
Red Fort. So what happened was, I shot one clip in metro. The security asked me to delete it, so I deleted it. But after that, Harshit met one guy near Kashmiri Gate there, and then that guy took us to some shady hotel. And we kept our luggage there, and now we are here at Red Fort. So initially what happened, that guy, the auto driver that Harshit met, that guy is like Lal Killa. I didn't know that Lal Killa is Red Fort. It didn't turn up in my mind.
Lal andre red,
red.
Killa andre yarig gottu.
Is Delhi, the pollution is an actual thing. It's a real thing, and it's very noticeable and very evident. Ellogli nam Bengaluru best appa. So let's go to Red Fort.
1 boom.
This is the entrance. Oh, by the way, Arshit is on Instagram. His Instagram handle is Escapist Gupta. Now, those of you don't know, how did you get Gupta? It is not his surname.
ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. 10 days ಇದೆ. 9th day ರಿವೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Oh, all these are shops.
Like you, be strong to hold the.
All these are legit shops on left and right. There's one museum also. It's called Afsana Story of Red Fort.
1946 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಅದನ್ನೇನೋ ಕರೀತಿದ್ರು.
ಹಾಂ
ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Yeah, let's go and check out the museum. It's 100 rupees per person.
ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಕ್. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಸೀದಾ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಗೈಸ್, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಆರ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೌ ಅಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗೇಟ್. So the museum was very nice. It was a guided museum tour.
Completely worth
$100. He explained everything from Shahjahan's, the Delhi rule basically. So that was nice. After that we took an auto ride to India Gate. There is a park. Inside park.
पार्क अಲ್ಲ पराग. उधर एक पराग है.
इधर एक park के अंदर.
वो जाके देखने को आना है.
This is the India Gate.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂತ ಓಯ್ ಕಾರ್ ಓಡಿಸಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
So we are at the India Gate, as I said earlier. Full ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 minutes. Next level achieve ಆಯ್ತು. 15 minutes waste. So guys, if at all you come here, there's a lot of scam. So there are a lot of photographers here who will offer photos and all. They'll, even if you deny, they'll click and they'll charge you money, which is bullshit. So be aware and be in your senses. Next level achieve guys. I can't tell everything on the camera.
ಅಪ್ಪ.
Next level. Just come, just see the monument and go.
Peace.
So after that, India Gate, we saw Rashtrapati Bhavan, Samsad Bhavan. We couldn't go inside because obviously they won't allow you inside. So now we are here at the Delhi's famous
Sarojini Market.
As soon as we got out of the auto, Arshit told me, give the bag, you have to wear it like this. Why Arshit?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
This is the Sarojini Market.
ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪಾ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅವ್ನು 500 750 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು, 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್.